I'm Ellie. Okay, so today we're gonna play some Roblox. Let's play real high. Just ignore my lapis core 15 lapis. I mean my lapis core 15 lapises. You don't have to know. Nothing bad, but like, yeah. So let's go ahead and play Roblox. I have 2 tabs open because like this is on my email. This is like corner one, but not one. Oh my god, we go stand my avatar. Oh, oops. So let's go and to apartments. Oh my god, that is so awkward because it's like my first time ever doing this. And then, yay, I actually found myself a good recorder. Wait a minute. Put this in there. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. Let me just do this so you don't see that. Okay, so we are now traveling to the apartment. I haven't got my daily Royale and I'm saving up for 5 years since I don't have to do it because I'm also saving up for it. And dear dog, I'm going to get myself a mic because damn, my audio will probably be such a bad quality. But anyway, here we are in my apartment. Let's go get my reward. Hey, and then I'm going to go sleep. Wait, let me just. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so we just got some more cash. Just gonna move this up a bit. Okay, so let's go to sleep. It might make a part 2 of playing Royale, I just don't know. Okay, so yeah. We're just gonna wait. So I think it's 7 now. YouTube? No, gacha. It's because my account was like mainly gacha stuff. When did I subscribe to you? I don't recall subscribing to you. I might go watch some Cyber now. No, stop. No, not do. I subscribe. Yay. Okay. No. Oh my god, no. How do you pull this up again? There we go. I might already be done with like the sleeping, but alright, Cybernova T!
Oh, who is she?
I
is it a ghost? Oh no, she's wearing glow hair.
I might as well subscribe to Cyber. Oh, and then let's like this.
You see what I see. We have brand new hair. Yeah. All of the hair that was inspired by wings that crystal fluoride made has
oh my god, I could pretend I am Cybernova. Okay, but I'm not playing. I'm not Cyber.
And obviously the one I was most
so
excited
yep.
for
Okay.
Playful Limb.
So let's pause that because we are done. Okay, so I was watching the game earlier. A very good YouTuber. I would recommend her because I'm sure already. Maybe I'll go play some vocab. Okay, wait. But yeah, I am. Okay, so my name is go. Okay. Let's play Flickr, a new pride update. We support LGBTQ. Okay, I don't really want to continue having this for longer. Like, yeah. Oh, by the way, my username is Emily Lantern. Yep. Okay, close. This is my avatar. Yay, thank you. I'm not making part 2 to this. I was like, I don't want to annoy anybody soon. My dog. Okay, anyway, bye-bye. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It was some awkward and I'll hope to make another video and see y'all later. Bye!